Hey guys, it's Cow Tipper, and we're back with another video on my truck. I put the charger on the battery because the battery's dead, so we can start it up a little bit here. I put a little bit of gas in it over there because it was empty. And I don't know if I showed you this before, but it's got a 390 in it. It's a pretty nice motor. I'm gonna start it up here quick, and then I'm gonna run back there and let Dill press on the gas a little bit. Say hi, Dill.
Hi.
Alright, watch out, Dill. Pushing the clutch. Don't. Let me idle it here, Dill.
What?
Let me idle it. Just little taps like that, Dill.
Yeah.
Don't overdo it. Okay, don't do it yet until I say, Dill. Kitty. Go ahead, Dill, a little bit. A little bit more. More, Dill. That's pretty sweet. Sounds really awesome. Alright, watch out, Dill. Alright, that'll be it for today, guys. See you guys later.